Hello guys, Blaine here. This video is for the push button quick detach swivel only. If you need the regular one, see another video. First, we need to take out the strap from the ring like this. And then we slide the push button swivel into the strap. Then the end of strap goes through the rubber band. And then the strap goes through the ring. That's the next step. Then you can adjust the length of the strap as you need it. And then slide the rubber band all the way to the push button swivel to lock it in place. After that, the end of the strap goes back into the first hole of the ring to lock the strap. This side is done. Let's do the other side. Do exactly the same thing. Remove the strap and then slide in the push button swivel. The end of strap goes through the rubber band. And adjust the length of the strap as you need it. After that, make sure you slice the rubber band all the way to the swivel to lock it in place. Just like this. And then the end of strap goes through the ring. The strap goes back to the first hole of the ring to lock it in place. And that's it. There you have it. Thank you.